On this part here, onto dynamic entry, I will go full you onto the basic movement to defending the hook onto rib cage and then coming with a knee. Now all this movement here is you got to get used to practice to get understanding to set the movement up when it start to work. So let me show you here so you know exactly what to do. Here you now. On a dynamic entry, you got to set up the whole thing go together, okay? Like this. Soon you have the elbow coming at this hand from here when you hook coming in, lock is have to be like this, okay? Soon the hook coming in here have to be like this. Another thing about learning when the hook through the body is have the body like this, out like this. So later on, when you can shove the elbow into here, you see, the elbow will be go into it. As much as harder he coming in, the harder he gonna break his arm out. So in this kind of movement, we're gonna coming in to get used to the hand like this. Okay. Soon you done the hand like this, looking for this arm here, and then bring the arm hook around like this, and the hand onto the head, and then you shove the knee coming in like this. Okay. Make sure like this and control them. So in control, so easier for you later on to apply the lock coming in. All this kind of movement becomes simple. So when you're working, get used to the line here, hand like this, control, and then shove the knee in like this, okay? So the hand basic movement have to be applied well coming in like this, and then shove the knee coming in, okay? So hand got control, move like this. So difficult for him to move out of the way. Keep it low and into the position, okay? So the line, hand, control, like this, okay? So when you're working with him, hand like this, control, like this. So the most important thing again, if you get it using by winning, this hand is within the line and then shove it in like this, okay? So the knee will be applied onto the movement right away, like this coming, okay? So the line of it, control, so the movement can be applied in one hit like this already, and then shove the knee in like this coming in, okay? So let's slowly recap so you get an idea. So the line, hand, control, grab, this hand have to be here. Because certainly you change from this hand to this hand, it's become more easier. This hand to control the headbutt, this hand control the knee, okay? This hand control to break the arm, this hand control to attack. You're using for many things. This hand to control, like you here already, you're using the head to take him down the ground. Later on you will see a lot of this kind of movement that we do to make sure you're in line to break down your opponent in many different ways. So when you got to doing this dynamic entry, you have to set your body up or set the movement up in a certain way. So when the time comes, you got to respond to that movement you do. So let me show you again. So the movement you do don't need to relearn all the time. So here, when I go like this, I can change from here to here, or I can change from here to here, and then you shove the knee coming in. Because the hand here, it don't change, okay? So the hand here, if I from here to the headbutt, I just hold them up like this, and I shove my head coming in, okay? Hold them up like this, using the headbutt coming here. And then from here, I just from here to here in the arm. So I can go like this, and then here. Okay, and then you're using all different like the knee coming, different kind of knee coming in on this movement. And so this movement have to be set up in a certain way early. So the line of this, got to get used to hand like this, control here, and then shove the knee coming like this. Okay, so the line of the movement here, make sure hand like this. So soon you hurt him, grab like this in, and then knee like this. Okay, so training, make sure grab the hand, grab knee. So hand like this, so you offset the head like this, okay, coming in, so that pull to you, that force, and that will be in line, and then shift like this, and then shift like this. That can be to the here, or to here, or to the nut, okay, this is many different ways you want to go, but if you go too deep, then easy for you to take down. If you go this way, you got more balance. If you go more this way, you got more balance on you, okay, so depend how you control him when you come into work like this, okay? This is important. If you don't know how to control him, then when you come into too deep, he will be able to take you down. So the line of this, get used to hand like this, control, and then knee. So your body is in line, full control, so I can lock him from here, or I can do the elbow from here. I can do many things. Take a look. So that basic body hook is set you up for using many different things later on. It's important to make sure you set your body up and try to hurt them as you go in. Anything to do with street fight side, you got to go in to using this line, okay? This line in the thumb kill level, it's a level 2 step, breaking your opponent down first, busting your fist, busting the arm, busting everything. Then you can go in and do all the things that you need. Spend some time to practice. I will see you on to next lesson.